Okay, kung meron tayong sum of squares dati, ano naman sum of cubes. So, naka-raise ito sa 3 kasi cubes. So, sum of cubes of natural numbers. So, ang ginawa natin n dito is 5. So, ang formula niya is n times n plus 1 squared over 2. So, lalabas is 5 times 5 plus 1 which is 6. Squared mo yung 6 which is 36. So, 36 times 5 over 2 is equal to 90. So, pag 5 ang ginawa mo n, ang sum of cubes niya is 90. So, importante ito sa discrete math, sa principles of counting, principles of computing and counting. Importante ito sa computer science. So, hindi lang to sa math, importante rin to sa computer science and any other computer-related courses. So, yun lang yung magandang natututunan natin ngayon. So, yun lang po.